Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to remove air filter for this Ford LCF. This one is 4.5 V6. I'm going to show you how to replace air filter. So on these, it's located on the driver's side, right in here. It's pretty simple to replace it. So usually there's like a knob right here. It goes like this, and you just press it so it lifts. So what you want to do is lift so it comes out of this groove, and then you can spin it this way. Use both of your hands and then just spin it the other way. It shows right here it's locked, and it's gonna be unlocked if you spin the other way. Sometimes it's really hard, so you have to press it with how you would use two hands. Once you do that and it shows unlock, then you just pull this off. Once you pull this off, then you're gonna have an old filter and you take it off. And then once you buy a new filter or clean it, put this one back in here. Sometimes they come with additional filter that goes inside here. Depends on which vehicle. So all you do now is just line it up. And just shove it. That should be it right there, I think. Put the cover in, line it up. Make sure it's lined up everywhere, nice and even. Then you can spin it this way. Then it locks, as I show here. This will be it for this one. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed yet. If you have any comments, comment below. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.